Okay, number 5. In the figure shown, AB is 39. Put 39 here. AC 89. So it goes here. What is the measure of angle C? This is the angle that we want to find, so put an X here. Okay, let's label the sides because we're having to find an acute angle and we're given two sides. That must be in place in order to work trig. Here's your 90. That means this is hypotenuse. Get in the habit of doing this. These two sides here that form these two sides that form this acute angle, this is what we want to label these two sides. So this is the adjacent, and from here over to this side is your opposite. Alright? Okay, we want to work with opposite and hypotenuse. So when we look up here, we see opposite and hypotenuse is the first one that's sine. So the setup is sine x, put the degree symbol in there, and then equals to, follow this pattern here. This is how you set it up, opposite divided by hypotenuse. So 39 over 89, comma x. Okay, finish that.